Well, I put the antifreeze on. Put the belt, the water pump, the tensioner. I put the O2 sensor. 2015 Chevy Suburban. Now I'm getting ready to put the whatever the hell that shit is, the intake. Now you stick these in all the way to the lock. This one over here. All the way to the lock. And now tight these up with a screwdriver right here. This was a little job. Well, now what I gotta do is put the negative back on and turn it on.
Put what?
The negative.
What's that?
From the battery.
This?
No, the wire. Now I'm about to turn it on. The noise that y'all heard on the first video, that ain't even came from the tensioner, it was from the water pump. Now, getting ready to turn her on, make sure there's no water leaks, nothing. And she should be good. Now the time has come. Let's turn her on. Huh? No check engine light. They gone. Huh? Brand new. Brand new. Water pump. I put that water pump on a 2015 Chevy Suburban. I left the thing for the radiator, for the antifreeze open so the jack will breathe, let all the gases come out. Brand new. Brand new motor, brand new water pump, brand new tensioner, brand new injectors, brand new fuel rail lines, spark plugs, wire, all the sensors, the harmonic balancer, spark plugs, everything is brand new on this bitch. No leaks. No leaks. Well, I became a fucking mechanic. All off of YouTube. I'm a personal mechanic now on a 2015 Chevy Suburban. Y'all will learn because every time I look for these fucking trucks, I can't find no Suburban. I can't find no Suburban. No Suburban. See, I got two Suburbans. I got my C71 2005 and my 2015. Sure, no leaks. No check engine light. No check engine light. We got 175, 969, but that motor is a 0-mile motor from Jasper, PA, 100,000 miles, 3 years warranty. Yup. No leaks. That's how you're supposed to do it. Have no fear. Just do the job. Fuck these fucking chops. They want to charge you an arm and a leg, and then they want to fuck your shit up. Huh? I eliminated my vacuum pump. This shit ain't got no vacuum pump. No vacuum pump. I came and I hooked up my booster to my intake. My intake is connected to my oil catch can. Connected to my PCV valve. Now that's it. The job is done. 2015 Chevy Suburban. This is the water pump for Napa. $105 plus tax. No leak. Nope. Fill up the rest of that bucket and I'm done. Bam, brand new. Estos cabrones me quieren matar, pero tú me brincas encima de este bicho y yo te devoro como un animal. Yo sé que me quieren matar, pero después que yo tenga dinero para comprar pistolas y rifles. I'm a fucking beast. Little bit of everything.